Are you somebody who has a pleasing personality and very good communication skills? Do you love interacting with people and have a service heart? If you fancy working in a large group of hotels, cruise ships and love to organize big events, then you must explore hotel management courses. Hello students, this is Schooling Times. आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज की और साथ ही जानेंगे कि इन कोर्सेज में एडमिशन कैसे मिलता है. What are the top colleges? What are the job prospects after doing this course? Most importantly, हम जानेंगे what is the return on investment after doing this course. The first question in your mind might be, where can I get a job after completing this degree? सबसे पहले जान ले कि होटल इंडस्ट्री के टॉप रिक्रूटर्स कौन है और आप किन सेक्टर्स में जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. नंबर 1, फास्ट फूड मैनेजमेंट इन लार्ज ग्रुप्स ऑफ होटल चेन्स जैसे कि ताज ग्रुप ऑफ होटल्स, ओबरॉय, लीला पैलेस, ITC, हिल्टन एंड मैरिट, लेमन ट्री एक्सेट्रा. नंबर 2, रेस्टोरेंट चेन्स, रिजॉर्ट्स, क्लब्स, फास्ट फूड चेन्स. नंबर 3, cruise ship hotel management in merchant navy. Number 4, airline catering and cabin services in aviation. Number 5, catering and public relations in hospitals. Number 6, catering departments in banks and insurance and other government departments like railways, armed forces and tourism. Number 7, recreation and healthcare center management. Director of Hotel Operations, Hotel Manager, Housekeeping Manager, Senior Chef or Chef Floor Supervisor, Guest Service Supervisor, Restaurant and Food Service Manager, Food and Beverages Manager, Front Office Manager, Events Manager, Kitchen Manager and वेडिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर. ये सब तो बहुत अट्रैक्टिव लगता है, बट इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट. बात करें प्रोस की तो हमारे देश की जीडीपी में होटल मैनेजमेंट का बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है. दिस इंडस्ट्री इज ग्रोइंग एट अ रेट ऑफ 2 to 3% ऑन ईयर. इसलिए इस इंडस्ट्री में ग्रोथ के चांसेस भी बहुत ज्यादा है. यू कैन परस्यू दिस कोर्स इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ वेदर यू हैड साइंस, कॉमर्स और आर्ट्स इन क्लास 12. यू कैन इवन गेट एडमिशन इन होटल मैनेजमेंट डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज राइट आफ्टर 10. यू कैन across various sectors in this industry. Example, aviation, cruise ships, banking, merchant navy, tourism, hospitals, clubs, etc. Since the industry caters to many sectors, you can get work experience across many sectors throughout your career. Salaries may not be very high initially. You may start with an amount of 15,000 to 20,000 per month, but as your experience grows, you can get 30,000 to 40,000 per month in 2 years, and it really grows high as you rise higher up in the career ladder. If you are on cruise ships, you get to see all the part of the world. You develop a lot of skills in this profession like communication skills, customer orientation, teamwork, patience, a service heart, networking with a wide variety of people and much more. Let's talk about the disadvantages. Working hours can be pretty long at times. You may be working on weekends and Saturday and Sundays too. If you are on cruise ships, you will be away from home for quite a long duration. The salaries at the entry level may not be very attractive until you gain experience and demonstrate all the required skills to be successful in this profession. This profession requires a lot of patience and perseverance. You always have to wear a smile and maintain a pleasing personality and a service heart to maintain public relations. तो आइए आप जानते हैं कि होटल मैनेजमेंट में करियर बनाने के लिए कौन कौन से कोर्सेज किए जा सकते हैं. यूजी कोर्सेज के कुछ हाइलाइट्स यहाँ आपकी स्क्रीन पर डिस्प्ले हो रही है. Various bachelor degrees that you can apply in are Bachelor of Hotel Management, BA in Hotel Management, BSc in Hotel Management, BA Honors in Hotel Management, BBA in Hotel Management. Here is the list of top hotel management entrance exams in India. अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्सेज के लिए आपको इन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करनी होगी. NCH, MCT, JEE, AIMA, UGAT, BVP, CET, DET, HMCT. If you are serious about this career, you can go for postgraduate courses and join Masters in Hotel Management, MBA in Hotel Management. The FAQs are available in the description below. We hope you find this information helpful. We end the video here wishing all aspirants best of luck for a rewarding career in hotel management.